Today is about be patient and hope. So, brothers and sisters, be patient and hope. According to Romans 8 verse 25, but if we hope for what we do not see, we wait for it with patience. Number 1. Patience plus hope is equals strength in waiting, brothers and sisters. 2. Good things take little. Take time. Good things take time. So this is the patience and hope. For today is about the bridge in Bible. According to Genesis 32 verse 22 to 33, Jacob wrestled with God for Jabok's bridge story. Symbol of struggle, transformation, blessing. So this is the bridge of faith. It's about the wisdom and knowledge of God. So the wisdom and knowledge of God, brothers and sisters, Proverbs 2 verse 6. For the Lord gave wisdom, from his mouth come knowledge and understanding. First is number 1, God's wisdom is perfect beyond human understanding. According to James 1 verse 5, if any of you lacks wisdom, let him ask God. So this is the divine wisdom.